To start off with, take 2 cups of basmati rice, soak it, leave it for about 20 minutes. Spices needed are 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, 2 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 2 pods of cardamom and 1 teaspoon of saunf. I've also chopped a fistful of mint leaf, 1 onion, 1 tomato, finely chopped coriander leaves, 200 grams of chopped mushrooms, 2 green chilies slit, 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Some fresh green peas and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of Everest Shahi Biryani masala. Keep the cooker on a medium-high flame. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Allow it to heat. It's heated. Now we'll add the spices. 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 star anise, 2 pods of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of saunf. Saute it till it gets aromatic. Add the chopped onions. Saute till it gets mildly golden brown. Add split green chilies. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, and then add the chopped mint leaves. Adding the tomatoes. A little bit of salt so that it gets mushy faster. Leave it for a while. You can see the fat has separated. Now we'll add all the powders. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of Everest Biryani Shahi masala. Quickly stir them up till the raw smell of the powder goes. Lower the flame and then add the mushrooms, chopped mushrooms and green peas. Stir it. Mushroom leaves a lot of water when cooked, so we'll allow it to cook for a while. You can see the water has separated. 1 tablespoon of lime juice and we'll add 1 tablespoon of curd. Add the soaked rice to this. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of Shahi Biryani masala powder again. and some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it up well so that the masala and the raw rice comes together. As mushroom leaves a lot of water when cooked, I'm adding only 3 glasses of water for 2 glasses of rice. So for each glass I'm adding only 1.5 cup of water. Salt as per taste. Some coriander leaves chopped. Now we shall close the lid. After 2 whistles, you can see it's cooked perfectly. The rice is cooked well and the mushroom pieces are intact. And it's ready. You can serve it with raita and enjoy.